Do you cringe when you hear green juice? I have a very mild, nutritious green juice for all of you beginners. Let me show you. I'm Nora Day. A lot of people are turned off for green drinks because of the green color. But I'm going to tell you why it's so important to drink green juices. The nutrient value is very high. This juice gets immediately into your bloodstream, and I want to show you how easy it is to make these green drinks. I use 1 whole head of romaine lettuce. Romaine lettuce is a nice mild flavor because the green is not quite so intense as your kale or spinach. My next ingredient is the Granny Smith apple. These are a little tartar than the red apples, but I really like them in this juice. My next ingredient is cucumber. Cucumber is 80 to 90% water, so that means it gives a nice liquidy flavor to the juice. And also I peel the skin off because sometimes when you keep the skin on, it can get you a little bloaty or gassy after the juice, so peel that skin off for a nice juice. I'm also using celery. Celery also has a high quantity of water. It's very, very good in a juice, keeps everything running smooth in your digestive tract. My last ingredient is lemon. I love using lemon in my juice, and I always keep the rind on because it gives that tangy, tart flavor, and I really think that you're gonna love this juice, so let's make it. Let's start feeding our ingredients through the juicer. And it's a really nice idea to rotate your fruits and vegetables when you put them through the juicer. Okay, it's green, but wait till you taste it. Ooh, that's wonderful. You can really taste that lemon. You can taste that lemon rind with that nice tart taste. This is my beginner's juice with that nice mild romaine lettuce. I hope you make this at home. I'm Nora Day.